If you're a business owner or entrepreneur looking to improve your online presence, setting up a Google Business Profile is one of the most important steps you can take. Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, allows you to manage how your business appears on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for potential customers to find you. In this video, we'll walk you through a complete setup guide to get your profile ready quickly and effectively. The first step is to create or log into your Google account. Your Google Business Profile is linked to your Google account, so make sure you're using an account that's professional and accessible. Once you're logged in, go to the Google Business Profile website and click on Manage Now to start the setup process. Next, enter your business name and category. Choose a name that matches your official business name and select a category that best describes your products or services. This helps Google understand what your business does and improves your chances of appearing in relevant searches. Accuracy at this stage is key, so double-check your entries. After that, you'll be asked to enter your location. If you have a physical storefront, input your address so customers can find you on Google Maps. If you're a service area business, you can specify the regions you serve instead. This step ensures that your business is visible to the right local audience. The next step is to add your contact information. Include your phone number, website, and any other relevant contact details. This makes it easy for potential customers to reach out to you directly from your Google Business Profile. Remember, accurate contact information builds trust and encourages engagement. Once your basic information is complete, it's time to verify your business. Google will offer verification options like mail, phone, or email. Verification confirms that you're the legitimate owner of the business, unlocking the ability to fully manage your profile. Make sure to complete this step as soon as possible so you can start optimizing your listing. After verification, enhance your profile with additional details. Add high-quality photos of your business, team, or products. Write a compelling business description, and include your business hours. You can also create posts about promotions, events, or announcements. These extras make your profile more attractive and engaging for potential customers. Finally, monitor your profile and use Google Insights. Track how customers find you, which actions they take, and how they engage with your content. This information helps you make data-driven decisions to improve your visibility and attract more customers over time. By following this setup guide, you can create a strong, professional Google Business Profile that boosts your online presence and helps more people discover your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Set up your Google Business Profile today and take the first step toward growing your business online.